Our group, we're from Bishop O'Connell High School in Arlington, Virginia. We're doing this as a part of our service project.
Make you guys feel to be able to come out and help a fella that can't help himself?
I think it's really inspiring because we don't do this every day, and although I've never done any of I've never done siding before, so I think I learned something valuable that I could use later in my life. Plus, I mean, I think that helping people out, we were reading scripture yesterday, and we were talking about how we're all parts in God's, like, I think, human creation, which is our body, and every part in the body has a function and a purpose. So it's nice to know that we're helping each other out in that way.
Oh, yeah. If it hadn't been for them, my house just went straight downhill. I wasn't able to do it due to my health, and it's just been a great help for me to get them in here to help me. They've been more than nice, and they sure have done a good job at it.